Chapter 3 Road to Independence. Gandhiji's arrival. On the morning of 9th January 1915, a crowd gathered at Apollo Bantha Harbour in Bombay. An important person was arriving in a foreign ship. The people were there to welcome him. A tall, lean man in a long coat and turban walked out of the ship towards the crowd. That great man was Gandhiji. Conditions in India upon the arrival of Gandhiji. The British ruled India, threatening and killing the Indians. We were forced to obey all their rules. Gandhiji exhorted the people to stand united against the harassment and injustice of the British rulers. He devised new means of protest like Satyagraha to fight against the British. Satyagraha means holding on to truth. Never accept anything evil. Oppose it, however. Do not use violence while opposing. Never give up non-violence. Gandhiji's simple way of life, pleasing speech and so on were enough for him to capture the minds of ordinary people. People supported him with great enthusiasm. This mass support raised him to the leadership of the Indian National Congress. Consequently, the Indian freedom struggle became a constructive mass movement rooted in non-violence. First struggle for peasants. The peasants of Champaran village in Bihar were in great misery. They were forced to cultivate indigo in most of their fields and sell it at a rate fixed by the British landowners. Later, these British landowners levied excess taxes too. Thus, after each harvest, the farmers became more and more debt-ridden. Hearing about their hardships, Gandhiji and his followers reached Champaran. Then Gandhiji led a Satyagraha struggle against the British and set the peasants free from misery. More struggles. Some other struggles led by Gandhiji are the Kheda Satyagraha and the Ahmedabad textile mill strike. The Kheda Satyagraha demanded that the taxes imposed on peasants should be reduced when the yields are low. The Ahmedabad textile mill strike was for raising wages. All these satyagrahas led by Gandhiji were victorious. It mainly dealt with the misery of the peasants. It was Gandhiji's Satyagraha experiment that reduced the hardship of the peasants. Kheda Satyagraha. It demanded that the taxes imposed should be reduced when the yields are low. It was a successful Satyagraha. Ahmedabad mill strike. It demanded the wages to be raised. It was a victorious strike as well. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Suddenly gunshots were heard one after the other, continuously as if a cracker house was set on fire. The shocked and the horrified people ran all around for life. Hundreds of people lost their lives either in the firing or in the rush, and many more people were wounded. This incident that shocked the Indian minds took place on 13th April 1919. On hearing this, Gandhiji wished to reach Jallianwala Bagh as soon as possible, but the British army did not allow him to even enter Punjab. This disappointed Gandhiji furthermore. Non-cooperation movement. After the Jallianwala Bagh incident, Gandhi called for a country-wide strike. It was decided not to cooperate with the British government at any level. Some of the demands of the non-cooperation movement were to promote Khadi, to propagate the Hindi language, and to boycott foreign goods. Non-cooperation movement in Kerala. As a part of the non-cooperation movement, Gandhiji had visited Kerala. His arrival provided the strength and vigor to the non-cooperation movement in Kerala. Salt Satyagraha. Salt, a weapon of struggle. Salt is a thing we all need. The British had imposed taxes on salt which the Indians had prepared on their own seashores. Those who didn't pay their taxes were given punishments or even imprisoned. Gandhiji warned the British on mass violation if the taxes on salt was not withdrawn. As British didn't remove the tax on salt, Gandhi started the movement. Dandi March. Gandhi and his followers started the march from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi on 12th March 1930. Gandhiji, Nehru, Sarojini Naidu and almost 1,000 followers walked about 388 kilometers on foot to break salt law. Gandhi breaking salt law at Dandi. At Dandi, by picking up a handful of salt from the shore, Gandhi broke salt law. This incident was the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. Kerala and Salt Satyagraha. Satyagrahis of Kerala marched and broke the salt law at the seashore of Payyanur in Kannur. K. Kelappan was the leader of this movement. K. Kelappan is known as Kerala Gandhi. Many leaders, including Gandhi, were arrested and were brutally beaten up. Some of the similar protests in Kerala related to the freedom struggle were the Malabar Rebellion, Kuruchia Rebellion, Vaikam Satyagraha and Guruvayur Satyagraha. Some of the freedom fighters in Kerala were K. Kelappan, T. K. Madhavan, Muhammad Abdurrahman, K. P. Keshava Menon, A. K. Gopalan, Akkamma Cheriyan, Kuttimalu Amma. Quit India Movement 1942. Jawaharlal Nehru presented the Quit India resolution at the Congress session held in Bombay. Then Gandhiji called for the ultimate struggle for freedom. Let us prepare for the ultimate struggle, a strong struggle that excelled all the earlier struggles. Till now, we have protested in a peaceful way. Now it's time to finish this up as early as possible. The slogan Quit India, Leave India added a vigor to the struggle do or die. The exhaustion of Gandhiji was taken up by the masses. Everyone, including students, joined the struggle. We observe August 9th as the Quit India Day. The United Nations has declared 9th August 1942 as the Quit India Day. October 2nd is the day of Gandhiji's birth. It is recognized as World Non-Violence Day. It is the world's recognition of Mahatma Gandhi's message of Ahimsa. Some of the notable leaders who fought bravely for freedom: Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose, Gopala Krishna Gokhale, Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Let us assess. Who is known as Kerala Gandhi? When is the Quit India Day? Prepare a note on the importance of Salt Satyagraha. Who are some of the notable persons in the Indian non-cooperation movement? Prepare a note on peasant struggle. There are also a list of extended activities being mentioned. Collect some pictures and details of the leaders of the freedom struggle in Kerala. Collect songs of the freedom struggle and patriotic songs and sing them. Collect slogans related to the freedom struggle. Read the following books of Mahatma Gandhi: Kuttigalude Mahatma Gandhi and My Experiments with Truth. Thank you.